ClarityDocs AI is one of the best just-released AI software tools that promises to revolutionize the way businesses handle documents. If you're looking for a new AI tool to streamline your document management, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about ClarityDocs AI. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have all the insights you need to decide if it's the right tool for you. And don't forget, you can try ClarityDocs for free through the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into it. ClarityDocs AI is a next-level software designed to automate and simplify document management using cutting-edge AI technology. But what sets it apart from others? Let's break down exactly what makes this tool stand out. First up, it uses advanced AI-powered text recognition. It's not just about scanning documents. ClarityDocs analyzes them in depth. Whether it's PDFs, Word documents, or scanned images, this AI extracts the relevant data, making it easy to search, organize, and manage your content. The accuracy is impressive, especially when dealing with complex or unstructured data. Another big feature is its integration with major cloud platforms. ClarityDocs AI seamlessly integrates with Google Drive, Dropbox, and even custom enterprise solutions. This means if you already rely on these platforms, you can easily import, export, and sync your documents without a hassle. But here's something that really sets it apart. ClarityDocs offers AI-driven document summarization. For businesses that deal with a lot of paperwork, this tool can automatically generate concise summaries, saving your team valuable time. It's not just about simplifying documents, it's about improving productivity and efficiency across the board. Security is always a concern when dealing with sensitive information. With ClarityDocs, you get top-tier encryption and privacy controls. The software ensures that your documents are securely stored, and access is restricted to authorized users only, giving you peace of mind when handling confidential data. One of the most impressive aspects is ClarityDocs' smart categorization. The AI automatically tags and organizes documents based on context, subject, and content. This means no more manual filing or endless searching. Documents are automatically grouped, making them easier to find later. Another game changer is the tool's collaboration features. You can easily share documents with team members, leave comments, and track changes in real time. If you're working with a distributed team, this makes document collaboration a breeze. Finally, ClarityDocs is constantly evolving. The development team is committed to releasing regular updates and new features, ensuring the software stays at the forefront of AI document management. So, it's not just a tool for now, but one that will keep improving over time. To wrap it up, ClarityDocs AI is a powerful, intuitive, and secure tool that can significantly improve the way businesses manage their documents. Whether you're dealing with simple files or complex data, ClarityDocs offers a range of features that make managing documents smarter, faster, and easier. If you want to try ClarityDocs AI for yourself, remember, you can do so for free using the link in the description below. I've also listed other top AI tools that I've personally tested and recommend for various use cases, so be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching.